YouTubers, welcome to my video. And today I've got Extron headrest HD7. I'm going to show you how to install. I've got my Chevrolet Orlando 2011. They do come as a pair, and we've got some accessories including remote control and some secret lighters and gamepad as well. Right, I want to show you something. You can see here you can connect this either by using secret lighter connection when you tap this one in, or you can use the red and black wire I'm going to show you later to connect direct to the secret lighter connection. So you don't need to use the secret lighter connection. You just need to tap and find 12-volt wires. Right, so this is my Chevrolet Orlando 2011 model. First things you want to do is just to click that and remove the headrest from your car, and then you can start sorting out the new headrest.
You can see here, remove. So you can see this runs out, and that's what we are facing from here. So now what we need to do is to remove this. You just need to make them a little bit white, as you can see here. Once you have done that, you will have access to the zip, which is you need to go around. That's the zip, together with the other side as well. See, we get access. Remove this inside, and we can slide it all the way. Now I just need to point out something. You see this goes here. So the distance between this and this is what the distance you need to put your metals inside. You can see here. Inside here you can adjust the size. So I'm gonna put this, see, this goes down. Just need to screw inside here. Now we need our screwdriver just to open this screw inside here, so we can adjust the size. You see, we shift it to the size we want. Now we have this stuff which come inside. We need to put them here. You can see now. Now we can see this is our connection as usual. So I'm gonna connect this to here, and then I'm going to connect one of the cable here. You can see this is the one. Connect with the adapter, and then stick it to the secret lighter in the front. Right. So it seems that everything works. Now it is time to install this inside, and you can see we have to start from this side. So I'm gonna connect this to here, and then I'm going to connect one. Again, a quick test. Right, now it's time to tie it up, and I would like to put my cable here. Then I can connect them together here. Need to be careful. Now it's time to put everything back as before. You can see it's easy. So these are the cable of the two DVD, which we need to put them together if you want to watch. And there is a fuse here. This one, it is 12 volt, and the other DVD. Right, now it's time to tie up the wire, and I'm gonna put my screwdriver here, the flatbed screwdriver. Make sure that not scratching anything, and I'm gonna go around. So I bury everything inside here.